Okay, this is gonna be my version of the keyboard cat with literally a cat. I don't know if you will see this kitty. Oh, then again, maybe you might. Let's try it. This is gonna be kind of hard. Then again, maybe I should go on the ground like maybe the guy who made it did. But then I won't be able to see the keys. No, excuse me. I'll have to be somewhat in this film. Thank you. Here we go. Oh, careful, kitty. The kitty's gonna play. I mean, if he stops moving. Here we go. Okay, here we go. It's so hard with a little kitty. It's very hard with this kitty, you understand. And there you have it, the keyboard cat. Kinda. Give us a like.